Welcome to the kingdom. Market just open. Which way are we going? We're going to take this Dow position. This is support right here. If it breaks this, we're going straight down. Metals. Trying to reject off the VWAP. We're going to take our $40, $50 profit. I don't know if it can pass that. You see? I just told you we did not know if it would pass it. Did not pass it. Let's wait for the next candle, see if it shoots up. Market's still down overall. Dow's trying to recover. Metal's taking a beating. There's our $100 for the day. We are going to take 112. Let's see if we get a pump up to this black line. See if we can take more profit out of this. One more push up. There we go. $90 out of that. We're up $250 on a day. I should have kept that in a little longer. I had one small trade earlier in the morning. So that brings us up to 250. You just saw the market opened and you saw what we did to make 250. We were trading gold. I was down $2,000 on the gold trade. This is why prop firms, you'll never get ahead, because even on my other prop firm, I have a $1,500 drawdown. I would have been stopped out, account blown. Here, because I have real money, you just double up. But you need big money to do that, 50,000 cash, which 99% of you don't have. This is why everybody says it's so hard. You don't have money. You use a prop firm and you get destroyed. And you have to be right 100% of the time, which is an impossibility. You can be right 99% of the time. Win, 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 win. One loss blows your account. Should have stayed in that 1 minute chart. That looks nice. That looks beautiful in the 5 minute. I should have stayed in it. Let's see if we can get something. Let's see if we can get another $50. Nope. It looks like it wants to pull down. There you go. There's my $50. There's 80. There's another 130. Wow, we're up $370. 5 minutes into this video. This is a 5 minute chart. Still looks like it wants to push up higher. There it goes.